In the days following March 11th, the unthinkable became reality. Countries clashing over protective gear, confusion and calls for more testing. 100 days into this pandemic, many are safe for the moment, but some have lost more than they ever imagined.
Well, in the beginning, I didn't think it was as serious as it was. I just thought, okay, it's going to be another flu.
Debbie Upshaw's mother raised 6 children, fed 100 kids a day at her church for over 30 years. She died from COVID-19 at a long-term care home.
I listened to her for 3 days, gasping for air and for breath.
Disease experts say they too underestimated this virus.
And it's far more deadly than your average seasonal flu.
In terms of transmission, this was a beast.
An invisible beast that appears to spare children. Recent studies have shown kids are rarely becoming sick or infecting others. Most schools will reopen in September. And while most people don't want to start thinking about a second wave, experts insist it's coming.
This virus has really not shown any seasonality.
Hot weather hasn't stopped outbreaks in countries like Brazil. What has worked is physical distancing, but it's financially and psychologically draining. Most Canadians are safely interacting again, but seasons change.
Right now, I think people are still largely following the rules, and if they are congregating, they're doing it outside. They're not going to be doing that outside in October.
He also has concerns about ineffective vaccines.
I worry that, in particular, the United States will try to rush a vaccine to market before it's ready.
But the first 100 days have also brought out the good in people. Cooperation and care has saved lives, but the pandemic is far from over. Christine Birak, CBC News, Toronto.